안녕. 안녕하세요.
엄마 어디 간다 그랬어?
오동시.
어디? 엄마 강릉 간다 그랬잖아.
장난 아닌데.
Gangneung lies on the coast of the eastern sea of the Korean peninsula, and this is where the sun rises the earliest, so many people come here to see the sunrise. But of course, this is my family, and we're here mainly for the good food.
멀리 가야 돼.
Toddler tantrums gave me an excuse to insist that we stop over at HEONGSEONG, which is famous for its HANU or Korean beef. In HEONGSEONG, there's a village of HANU restaurants, and we decided to check out this place called 통나무집, which translates into log cabin. On the menu, you'll find a list of different parts of beef, different grades of HANU, and as you can see, it isn't cheap. We decided to get the 꽃등심 ribeye and 안창살 thin skirt. The banchan or side dishes were soon laid out on our table, and I gotta tell you, I was pretty impressed by the side dishes here. And wow, look at the marbling on that beef. After 4 servings of beef, I decided it was time to order some meal options before we blew the budget. Coffee and dessert is on the house, so this detour ended up being much longer than I'd anticipated.
우와 멋지다.
For dinner, we went to a pocha, which is a Korean-style bar, to try the Kkomak Bibimbap, which is a specialty of the Gangneung region. Kkomak Bibimbap is a mixture of marinated cockles and rice. The marinade is made from condiments like soy sauce, red pepper powder, and garlic. And see those green parts? They're cheongyang peppers. Spicy. The best way to eat it is to take a piece of laver, add some kkomak, followed by some rice, then wrap it up and wash it down with a glass of soju. Poorer quality the next morning left us to play indoors, but the kids didn't seem to mind. Once the weather improved, it was time to venture out again to try some more of the great food of Gangneung. This restaurant was recommended by a friend who grew up in this area. They specialize in potato dishes such as 감자 Ongsimi and 감자전.
그거는 감자전이지. 맛있겠지. 감자를 곱게 갈아가지고 무친 거야.
요 벤치에 특히 깔았는데
네.
각자 떠가지고.
아, 네.
애기들은 또 목이 좀 하니까.
네네네. 네, 고맙습니다.
Ongsimi refers to these jelly-like dough balls which are made from potato starch. The broth is made from clams and contains 메밀국수, which are noodles made of buckwheat. Around 70% of potatoes harvested in Korea come from the Gangwon-do district. The high mountains of this area provide the perfect conditions for harvesting potatoes. So it's no wonder that the people of this district developed many potato dishes. Corn is also harvested in Gangwon-do, so if you visit, definitely try the 옥수수 동동주, which which is rice wine made with corn. To be honest, the food here was a little bland, so I had to spice it up with nakjijot, which is pickled small octopus. Gangneung is also famous for its coffee and roasteries. We went to Terarosa Coffee, which is a cafe, a restaurant, and a coffee museum.
피가 나는 거야?
우성이 뱀파이어 같아.
아니야.
빨간 주스야. 우성, 누나 온다.
야, 그거 매달려. 안 돼.
If you enjoyed this video, please consider subscribing. Bye! 다음에 또 만나요.